Some 1,000 employees. Workers at PSC Metals may be forced to get their coverage from the Affordable Care Act. News Channel 5's Michael Baldwin is on your side with a story that could affect some of your neighbors.
Yeah, the news comes from an online trade publication called American Metals Marketplace. They say they spoke with the CEO of PSC who confirmed that the company will be dumping its health insurance plan. The company says PSC Metals is one of the country's best scrap processors. Now comes news that they plan to scrap the health care for some 1,000 workers. The move is seen as a way to save a lot of money, and it may force its employees to seek coverage through Obamacare.
So if you're paying $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 a year for individual coverage.
Dr. Tom Sutton is chair of the political science department at Baldwin-Wallace University. He says some companies would rather pay the penalty under the Affordable Care Act because it's cheaper than offering health insurance.
And you're paying what you just said, $15,000 to $20,000 for family coverage, and a lot of these are family coverage policies. You pay $2,000 per worker flat on the penalty, obviously you're going to save lots of money.
And if PSC forces its employees off their health care rolls by the end of the year, they'll save a lot of money.
The Obama administration has postponed the employer mandate penalty until 2015. So if they're cutting the insurance now, they're going to have a whole year of no penalty and no insurance cost before 2015.
And for workers forced into the Affordable Care Act in Ohio, Sutton says the news doesn't get better.
I'd be really concerned because in Ohio we did not sign on to create those exchanges at the state level. So you're going to be one of those millions that's trying to get into the federal website that has so far enrolled less than 100,000 people across the country.
Now, we attempted to get in contact with PSC, but our calls were not returned in time for a broadcast. Sutton says if PSC can show that they can save a lot of money, then other companies may follow. We'll have it on your side. I'm Michael Baldwin, News Channel 5.